Where are we going?
Peter Pan! Woohoo!
We're doing the Peter Pan Neverland. Next time you see, we'll be on the ride. This could be fun. Look, we got Tinkerbell right on the bed there.
I think watching all that station might be able to help you.
Want to stop here for a second?
Sure.
See if you can grab one of those butterflies.
All right. I'll try calling her and see if she can get over there, okay?
See what you can do when you're in a standby. Oh, we gotta get out of here. That was cool.
That was cool.
Behind the one here.
Doing a great job.
All right, here we go, Lee. Yeah, you're not paying attention, are you? There we go. Here we go.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Awesome. Thank you.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Here we go.
On to Neverland.
There, off to Neverland. Think. There, think. Anna.
Nana. All out.
Look at all those houses down there.
Yes.
What do they see over here, honey? Oh, the big van. Nice.
Yes.
Wow, look at all the cars.
Yeah, for sure.
Now we're back into our view.
Yeah. Now it's pitch black.
Where are we going? Oh,
Here we go. Neverland. Neverland.
whoa. Hey, Mr. Sneak down there. Mr. Sneak. They're firing. What are they firing at? Oh,
The Lost Boys.
Lost Boy. Oh, look at the mermaid. There's Ariel. That's Ariel, the redhead. That's Ariel.
No, that's not Ariel.
You can't tell me it's not Ariel.
No, it's not Ariel.
That's Ariel. Hey, hi guys.
The natives. Oh, the natives unknown.
Hi guys. Oh. Hello. Hello. What's gonna happen with these guys? Oh no. Hey, there's the croc. Hey! Peter Pan saved the day with Pink.
Yeah, he rescued them all. Pink.
And there's Mr. Smee.
Mr. Sweet.
Uh-oh, Hook is in trouble.
Yeah, he's in really trouble.
He's in trouble. Coming in for a landing.
And the end.
Yay!
Lift off from your safety belt on the left. Then exit to the right onto the Jimi
Welcome back, friends. Watch your step, please.
Thank you. You gotta get up on. Just me. fireworks outside.
Yes, giving me a heart attack.
What do you think of that ride?
That was awesome. Let's do it again.
Is that everything we're gonna do? Every ride, let's do it again.
Yes.
I guess we're gonna do it again.
We're gonna do it again.